This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your saved jobs on Monster. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Monster app. To view your saved jobs on Monster, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to where you see the jobs icon. You want to make sure you're on the jobs icon. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right-hand corner up to where you see the heart in the upper right-hand corner. Tap on that heart. That is your job tracker. And down below that, you can see I have saved jobs here. There is a view all button to see all my saved jobs. Down below that, you have jobs that are in progress. Down below that, you have applied jobs. But at the very top up here is your saved jobs, and there is a view all button there. You can see all the jobs that you have saved. Thanks for watching.